Hey all you good looking people, we're here at Stanwell Park Train Station. We're doing the walk from Stanwell Park all the way to Austinmer. It's a one-way track, but you can do the opposite way obviously. But I've parked my car here, I'm going to walk all the way to Austinmer and then train it back up to this station. Let's get going and see how it is. So, there's been a slight hiccup to my plans to walk from Stanwell Park to Austinmer. Apparently from Sublime Point down to Austinmer is closed due to landslides or what have you. So this walk is going to be a tad bit shorter than I originally thought. So we're going to head to Coalcliff, but hopefully what you've seen so far has piqued your interest and made you consider coming here and checking it out. It's a beautiful spot, but we'll keep going and see what else it has to offer. Let's go. So the genius you see on your screen forgot to turn on the mic for the outro video, so now instead you are going to get a voice over. As you can see from the video, the track was cut short due to the landslide at Sublime Point down towards Austinmer. I ended up stopping at Coalcliff, but it was still a lovely walk, though half the intended distance. The track itself is not so well maintained, and there was a lot of scrambling you had to do with muddy surfaces as well as over rocks, so would not recommend it for families or with a pet, as I don't want to be responsible for any injuries. Anyways, on a nice day, if you are physically capable, I definitely recommend checking it out. As always, take care of yourself, take care of nature, and it'll take care of you. See you on the next one, you gorgeous people. Hopefully I don't stuff it up this time. Bye!